Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos on TikTok. First is to open your TikTok account. Now every time you upload your videos, make sure that you upload with a quality video so it will give you a good quality or camera quality for you to gain more likes from your followers or your viewers. Now for you to do that, you can actually enhance your videos by just pressing any of these options or the buttons that you can see on the right side of your phone. So as you can see, that enhance. So once you click that, it will enhance your video, something like that. It will brighten up some colors, some color gradings. Now, the other thing that you can do to have a quality videos is to make sure that you will do this. So go to your profile settings on the bottom right, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right, and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're in there, scroll down and then tap on data saver. Now make sure that this option here is turned off, because if it's turned on like this, videos may be at a lower resolution and it will take longer for you to upload or to load the video. So make sure it's turned off by toggling it off to make sure that you upload a quality video. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.